My name is Ranjit Sinha. You've come here to Beyond Snapshots, and I'm the partner of Beyond Snapshots. This here is Shaitab. He's also my partner. This is Zamir over here. He belongs to Nights Magazine. And this is Kiran. He belongs to our tie-up with CMAT, which is the education part of it. Okay? Now, Beyond Snapshots is a new concept in education, primarily based in imaging and photography. Okay? It talks about communication through imaging and photography. What we have done over here is we've built a floor which is about high-end photography. We have a tie-up with Lakhotia Institute of Art and Design. For our photography section, we have a tie-up with CMAT over here in Hyderabad, which is about mass communication. There are two courses being offered in mass communication. One is a bachelor's degree in mass communication, the other is a master's degree in mass communication. The unique thing about this is it's an open classroom format where the classrooms are not within four walls. It's open, you can congregate between two different classes, you can actually see the other class from one class, but the sense of it is being like in Shantiniketan, where under a tree you have groups of classes going on at the same time. So it is that kind of a system where each class is color-coded. In our photography section, we have a very high-end studio with some of the best equipment available in South India. We do advertising photography, we do fashion photography, and we teach. We have three different kinds of courses. We have a 3-month course, which is a basic photography course. We have an advanced course, which is a 6-month course. And then we have internships for photography. The whole idea is based in imaging, which is a part of communication, and we tend to give it a completely different look so that Hyderabad has a new look and feel about what the landscape is like and what the skyscape is like. Now, what I'll do is I'll hand over for Telugu to Shaitab. He speaks Telugu. I don't speak Telugu. I'm very sorry about that. So Shaitab will let you know in Telugu a bit, and then I'll hand over to Zamir, who's from Nights Magazine, and Kiran, who's from CMAT. Okay, please.
Hi guys. Institution where we are teaching photography. Photography lo 3 types of courses unnai. Okati vachesi basic. Second one is advanced course. Third one is internships. So we are tying up with Nights Magazine and educational institution called CMAT. CMAT to tie-up ayindi. CMAT to tie-up ayindi adi vachesi mass communication teach chestam. Mass communication lo master's degree undi, bachelor's degree undi. So
good evening everybody. It's a privilege to be here in front of you guys. I'm from Night Magazine actually. It's a magazine which talks about nightlife of Hyderabad at this point of time. Very soon we'll be going nationwide, talking about the nightlife in the different areas. When we talk about nightlife, it's about pubs, the parties, you know, the life about the night, the entire nightlife in the corporate sector or in the general scenario. This is one of its kind, the magazine, which only talks about nightlife. And that's the reason it's very clearly mentioned here, the bright side of the dark. It clearly mentions, you know, like what are we talking about? We're talking about the bright side of the night, where people even enjoy during their night times. At this point of time, this is all about nights. We'll meet you soon during the launch of the magazine. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Kiran Shah Pawar. Right. I'm started up as a CMAT in 6 years back. Right. This is a totally we are coming from the bachelor's and master's program in mass communication. We are associated with the behind shots, uh, behind snapshots, behind snapshots, right. And planning to go up the further with the association with this Ranjit Sena and Shatab. Anything? Thank you.
Who is also an expert in photography, in different areas of photography primarily. So, as you know, photography is a part of communication, right? So, Knights has come to us with the idea is that, okay, Ranjit, can you do this? Can you launch the magazine the way we want to? And that is the association that we have. All the creatives, all the photography is going to be done by Beyond Snapshots for Knights magazine. A part of creatives is also going to be done by us for Knights magazine. With CMAT, I will be doing mass communication courses. These courses are for 2 years and 3 years respectively, which is the bachelor's and the master's degree. So I am part of the faculty. I have 2 or 3 more faculty members who are trained in communication. We'll be doing the classes for CMAT for mass communication.
We have a few universities tie-up. This is a total as a we starting for this is a distance education. The certification issued by the distance mode.
No, internship is a process where a student, let's say one student, he spends an entire year with me going through the process of communicating with people, learning about photography and learning about communication primarily, and being a hands-on on every creative process that goes around in that institute. I do not take more than 3 students for internships.
City.